Bucks. Kids, you want some? You want some? You want some candies? Oh, candies. What kind of candies? Your favorite? Oh, my favorite is Copico. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Oh my God, thanks. Ooh, I kinda feel diarrhea. Wait, yeah, wait, ladies. Yes, my boy. Oh no, it's coming, coming, run! Hindi na siya makakabot. Hindi na siya makakabot. Frederick Albert. Hello, ladies. I'm back. Who the freak are you? Get out of my sight. Huh? Huh? What just happened? No, my arms. Let's go, guys. This guy is useless. No. Stupid, man. Huh? What are you laughing? Yes, we are. Why are you laughing? The hell? Yes, we are the guy who bullied us. The guy who bullied us. What? We will check now. Eat this. Eat what? Kick. You add poison to it, right? No. Because you are super ugly. And also eat this. Eat what? Huh? This, right? Guys, can you usog? Yes. Yes, finally we revenge on him. Guys, ang laki talaga ng upuan ko. Thanks, guys. Uy, ang laki ng upuan ko. Luya mo. Thanks, guys. No worry, for your friend.